Okay, so it's time to put my hair in. I added my apple cider vinegar already. This is the one that I use. This is the brand of baking soda that I bought. My hair doesn't necessarily, or the water doesn't really look that dirty. Did I put enough? I don't know. Okay, this is after. I'm going to deflate this one. I think it blocks my hair from really getting into the water. So I'm going to deflate it and just rest my neck here. Okay, we'll see how that goes the second time around. Last thing I'm gonna add this time is a bit of lemon. I saw a few people use this, so it is optional. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, we'll get that out later. All right, so I'm going back in now. So the second time around, I let it sit a bit longer in the water.